Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. New syllabus Physics SSC 2 Unit number 10 Simple Harmonic Motions and Waves. Exercise 10 Numerical Problem 10.7 to 10.10. In previous video we will discuss 10.3 to 10.6. Today we will discuss about 10.7 to 10.10. In question number 7, a transverse wave has produced on spring has a frequency of 190 Hz and travel along with the length of the spring of 90 meters in 0.5 seconds. Find what is the time period of the wave and what is the speed of wave, and final we can find the wavelength of the wave. First of all, write the given data. Frequency f is equal to 190 Hz and length L is equal to 90 meters. Time taken t is equal to 0.5 seconds. Required time period t, v part, speed of wave v, and wavelength lambda. Formula we use: first, time period t is equal to 1 upon f and speed of wave L upon t, length divided by time taken, and wavelength v is equal to f lambda. Now we calculate the time period as a first part A, t is equal to 1 upon f is equal to 1 upon 190. 1 divided by 190 is equal to 0.01 second. Similarly, V is equal to L upon T, then V is equal to 90 divided by 0.5 is equal to 180 meter per second. Now calculate wavelength, then V is equal to F lambda. Putting the values, V is equal to F lambda, then lambda is equal to V upon F. 180 divided by 190 is equal to 0.95 meter. Then final result, time period t is equal to 0.01 second, wave speed is equal to 180 meter per second, and wavelength v lambda is equal to 0.95 meter. Now, in question number 8, water wave in a shallow disk are 6 centimeters. At one point, the water moves up and down at a rate of 4.8 oscillations per second. Now, what is the speed of water wave and what is the period of water wave? Given data, first of all, length of wave lambda is equal to 6 centimeter. 6 centimeter can be converted into meter, then 6 by 100 is equal to 0.06 meter. Similarly, frequency f is equal to 4.8 Hz and required speed of wave v and time period of wave t. Formula that can be used for a speed of wave v is equal to f lambda and for a time period t is equal to 1 upon f. Then putting the value, solution, v is equal to f lambda, then v is equal to 4.8 multiplied by 0.06 is equal to 0.29 meter per second. Similarly, t is equal to 1 upon f. Then t is equal to 1 divided by 4.8. T is equal to 0.21 second. The result is velocity v is equal to 0.29 meter per second and time period is equal to 0.21 second. Now, question number 9. At one end of a ripple tank, 80 centimeters across, a 5 Hz vibrator produce wave whose wavelength is 40 millimeter. Find the time of the wave need to cross the tank. Now, first of all, write the given data. Length L is equal to S is equal to 80 centimeter. Centimeter change into meter, then 80 divided by 100. 80 divided by 100 is equal to 0.8 meter. Frequency f is equal to 5 Hz. Wavelength lambda is equal to 40 millimeter is equal to 40 divided by 1000 because milli is equal to 10 raised to power minus 3. Then 0.04 meter. Now, to find the required data, time t, and we use the formula S is equal to Vt because length is equal to distance and L is equal to S. Then we use the formula S is equal to Vt. Then put in solution, we know that V is equal to F lambda. F is equal to 5, then 5 multiplied by 0.04 is equal to 0.2 meter per second. Now, S is equal to Vt, putting the value of S and T, then 0.2 multiplied by T is equal to 0.8. Then T is equal to 0.8 divided by 0.2. Time period is T 4 seconds. Now, result is time taken T is equal to 4 seconds. Last question, question number 10. What is the wavelength of the radio wave transmitted by a FM station at 90 megahertz? Then 1 megahertz is equal to 10 raised to power 6 and speed of radio wave is 3 multiplied by 10 raised to power 8 meter per second. Given data, frequency f is equal to 90 megahertz is equal to 90 multiplied by 10 raised to power 6 hertz. Speed v is equal to 3 multiplied by 10 raised to power 8 meter per second. Required wavelength is equal to lambda. We use the formula v is equal to f lambda. Then solution, we know that v is equal to f lambda, then lambda is equal to v upon f. Putting the value, lambda is equal to 3 multiplied by 10 raised to power 8 divided by 90 multiplied by 10 raised to power 6 is equal to 3.33 meter. The final result, wavelength lambda is equal to 3.33 meter. Thank you. Best of luck. Allah Hafiz.